assume by now you've seen us transform the Audi R8 and Huracan platforms with the 5.2-liter V10 into something that resembles more of a musical device than any other exhaust setup on the market. Welcome back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. Today, we've got the Gen 1 here. Now, the Gen 1 is very different from the Gen 2, even though it has the same engine configuration, 5.2 liters, and the odd firing configuration. This car, we wanted to make sure was as special as the Gen 2 cars. Because this car only has 6 gears, the sound configuration and the profiles we wanted to achieve were slightly different, really getting that Gallardo sound out of this odd firing 5.2-liter V10 R8 V10 R8. So the car behind us is a bone stock car. It has our True F1 Catback. It's got the stock headers, stock software, and it has the factory catalytic converters. Everything is stock except for this exhaust setup. The customer had a different exhaust setup before that was pretty much free flow, and he tells us that this has been truly transformed, and we're going to show you in this video. Revs, flybys, hard acceleration. We're going to have the airstrip today, so you really get to hear that sound resonate. GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course you guys are going to get to hang out inside the car to really hear that experience. Looking forward to showcasing the best sound configuration for the Gen 1 R8s. Let's get to it. Alrighty people, now everybody's asked us to make a Generation 1 version of our True F1 Catback for the V10 Audi R8s. This car is a 2012 Audi R8 V10 and it's got the Valvetronic transmission and it has the best F1 Catback on the market. Again, our non-valve system here. This setup was designed, engineered, and developed to really give that Gallardo smooth, even firing sound to the odd firing platforms. You guys will have seen our other videos we've already done on the Gen 2 cars, which has been extremely valuable to the enthusiast market, because that's those cars, and this car as well, really cool. A very, very fun sports car experience, but they didn't have the sound like a Ferrari 458 or that Carrera GT, really nice, smooth, even firing sound. With this exhaust setup, you really get that music, which has been so exciting for us here at Valvetronic because we knew this sound was lurking. We just had to get it out there. I'm gonna get the car warmed up here and we'll show you guys here in a little bit some more sound. But for now, just enjoy the low RPMs. Listen, it's so smooth. But now it's smooth. Downshifts really sound good. We know it doesn't come across on video that much, but when you compare the way this car sounds in person to a pre-LP Gallardo with an exhaust, they almost sound identical. And then when you compare this exhaust in this car to like a regular exhaust setup like any other companies that doesn't have our proprietary tech in this system, you don't get this smoothness. It's really something special. It makes me so happy that we were able to develop, engineer, and deliver this sound to such an incredible car. Get a little bit of ricochet of these buildings. We want to keep it respectful for folks, but take a listen. Ultimately, the Catback is loud because it doesn't have any valves, there's no mufflers, but this setup, you could drive all day, no drone, no unwanted frequencies. With this quality of sound, how could you go wrong? I'll put us into a higher gear too. Like 6th gear, come on. It's like sitting in a bone stock car. No drone, no unwanted frequencies, nothing in the cabin that would lend you to think that this car is modified in any way. That's the cool thing about making this sound so smooth and enjoyable in the mid-range and higher RPMs. You still get that relaxed experience because of how well the system is scavenging. You get that smoothness down low too, so you could use this all the time and never have to worry about it being too loud, too noisy for your neighbors. You just get that high quality experience and none of the drawbacks that some of the other systems that are on the market have. This setup, you're gonna get none of that. 45 miles an hour, 1800 RPMs. Normally these cars are so bassy, so drony. Like, I really love this car now because the Valvetronic transmission makes it fun and special, even though a manual is cool, but like, there's something so stupid about this transmission, it's just fun. And now with this sound, it's like, what else could you want from this car? It looks amazing, now sounds amazing, it's really fun and enjoyable, and it's relatively reliable too, and with this sound quality, how could you go wrong? This system has been released later than the Gen 2s. The reason why, excuse me, is because this car has 6 gears instead of 7. The resonance profiles are very different, so it took a lot more engineering to transfer our knowledge from the Gen 2s to the Gen 1 so we could get the best sound. Again, this is a car with stock headers, stock tune, everything is factory. There's no other mods to this car except the F1 Catback. So being able to get this extraction of high quality sound from a Catback is very impressive. Stay tuned to the next video too, where we do the cat delete sections. We still have the original headers, so no crazy install there, but the original headers, the cat deletes, and then this rear section, it's gonna be even crazier, which is hard to imagine. you guys to tell us what setup might be better. We know Secret Weapon Fab has come to the market with an incredible system, but that setup is over 5 times the money of this setup. It involves taking your headers out, which involves removing the engine. It involves a catless header setup, which this is just a catback. So when you compare apples to apples, it's hard to compare the setups. They've shown what's possible, but at Valvetronic Designs, we wanted every R8 owner to have this experience, so you really get that Gallardo sound, the smooth firing experience all the way through the rev range. We're very excited for all the positivity and all the excitement from the Gen 2 cars and the Huracan STOs and Evo. But this car now, bringing all that sound to the Gen 1s was always our goal. Every 5.2 liter V10 should have this sound, and Valvetronic Designs, we're delivering it. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. If you're looking to get this exhaust set up for your R8, check us out at Valvetronic.com. We're gonna continue to deliver the best experience in the world for these V10 cars. See you guys in the next video.